In this video, I will show how to copy one cell, one Excel worksheet data to another sheet. So select your particular data, right click, then copy. Now create your second worksheet, right click on it. Now you have these all options to paste. If you paste with formula, so it will not appear properly. So you can paste as value. So as a value, as a simple text, it will appear here. And there are some more options like formula, it will not work, transpose not work, and in the formatting it will format. So you can select this as a value and adjust the size. So this hash will be removed. So thanks for watching. In this video I will show how to delete any column in Microsoft Excel. So right click on it and delete. This way you can delete any number of column. Thanks for watching.